May mga frequently asked questions po tayo sa mga ating clients na nagpa-franchise at gusto mag-franchise ng iPharmaMart. So, i-discuss ko na po yun sa inyo para naman mas mapadali yung pagde-decide niyo sa pagpa-franchise nyo sa amin ng iPharmaMart. Okay, so unang-unang question, do I need to hire a licensed pharmacist? Yes po, you need to hire a licensed registered pharmacist. Now, we can also do the hiring for you as part of our commitment in helping you start and build your pharmacy business. Kasi we understand yung iba walang kilala or yung iba walang time para mag-hire ng kanilang mga licensed pharmacist or staff. So, we can do the hiring for you. So, ito po yung sample ng pag-hire na ginagawa namin. Ito, franchisee namin sa Marikina, but we're the one hiring for their pharmacists. So, yan po yung isa sa service na pwede namin i-provide sa inyo as one of our franchisee. And then, next question, how much will be my total capital expense? So again, kahit kanina napaliwanag ko na po yung pwedeng abutin ng inyong total capital expense, yung talagang kaubuan na ilalabas mo, okay, para talagang mapatayo mo yung iPharmaMart store, pwede pong abutin from 1.5 million to 2 million or more. Ang total capital expenses ninyo depende sa franchise package na kukuhain ninyo at yung laki ng space na pagtatayuan ng inyong pharmacy. Now, consider also whether leased space with building already or your own lot and you will build or construct from scratch. So, magkakaiba po talaga yung magiging total capital expense depende kung sariling lote mo na pagtatayuan mo ng sariling building or mag-uupa ka lang na may building na at aayusin mo na lang. So, iba-iba po. And again, yung franchise package depende kasi yung isa, wala pang initial inventory. Yung pharmacy only, meron ng initial inventory. Next question, who will find the location? Okay, so you will provide the location and the space where you will put up your pharmacy. Now, in case you have no location or a space available yet, we can help you find a location. Just tell us which municipality and city, but you will have to pay for the locator's fee around 15,000 pesos for us to find a location for you. So, may mga clients na ganito na gustong-gusto nila na mag-franchise ng iPharmaMart, pero ang problema nila, wala pa silang location. So, ngayon, kung meron kang specific city or area na gusto mo, like say for example, gusto mo sa Cavite, sa may Bacoor, sa Molino 3, then pwede ka naming hanapan. Pero yun nga lang, magbabayad ka ng 15,000 pesos para hanapan ka namin ng magandang location. Or kung may available naman kami na space na binigay sa amin ng mga partners namin, then pwede namin i-offer yun sa'yo, okay? So, hindi po problema kung wala ka pang location. Kung gusto mo talagang ma-secure yung area, like yun nga, sabi ko sa Molino 3, Bacoor, Cavite, gusto mo doon magtayo. So, gusto mo ma-secure yung location na yun na ikaw ang makakapagpatayo ng iPharmaMart doon. At yung zoning kasi po natin, di ba? Tandaan natin may zoning. Kapag meron na dito sa location na to, hindi na pwedeng magtayo ng 2 kilometers na malapit doon sa area na yun. Paano kung yun yung gusto mong area? Di ba? Tapos meron na palang na-approve na iPharmaMart franchisee doon. So, napaka-importante po na pag gusto nyo talaga yung location or area na yun at talagang decided ka naman na magtayo ng ganitong business, then bayaran nyo na po yung franchise package and then later on sa mo na lang ayusin yung business operations or even yung location na magpapahanap ka sa amin because obviously we will help you really find the location do sa gusto mong area. Okay? And then next question, is it available in Visayas and Mindanao? Yes, it is. Kanina nakita nyo po, di ba, we have one franchise already operating in Cuso, Zamboanga, and another one will be opening in Zamboanga as well as in Cebu and other Visayas area. So, available po siya hindi lang sa Luzon, pero sa Visayas and Mindanao, available po ang ating iPharmaMart franchise. Next question, what are the brands that you carry for the pharmaceutical products? So here are some of the brands you will carry in your pharmacy store and rest assured, we are consistently adding more brands that are sought after. This is aside from the generic products that you will also carry in your inventory. So again, pinakita ko na po siya kanina pero ipapakita ko lang po ulit para mas matandaan nyo po kung anong mga brands na kinikarry natin. Next question, what are the payment terms? It's one-time payment of 650,000 for the franchise package. For OFWs to secure your slot, you can pay what your remittance will allow you as long as you are able to pay the whole amount of 650,000 franchise package. When it comes to sa mga additional expenses like construction, equipments, furnitures, or fixtures, let's say hindi pa buo yung pera mo for that, then you can start your business operations later on naman hanggang sa maging ready na yung fund mo para ipatayo mo yung building dun sa lote, sariling lote kung yun ang gusto mong gawin, or para mapaayos mo yung improvements or fixtures dun sa uupahan mo na space. So, it really depends nga kung anong space ang makukuha mo. Pero, if you want to secure your slot, especially yung zoning natin dun sa area na kung saan gusto mong itayo yung iyong iPharmaMart store, then we suggest, I recommend for you to pay the 650,000 franchise package if you have it already. Okay? But the payment terms, it's a one-time payment. Ngayon, doon sa construction or doon sa pagpapatayo, pagbili ng mga equipments, then it will be up to your budget. Next question, can I start the operation at a later date? So, in connection with the payment terms, lalo na sa mga OFW natin na wala pa dito sa Pilipinas, pero gustong-gusto na talaga na i-franchise tong iPharmaMart, yes, you can start your pharmacy business operations at a later date. And the franchise agreement date will take effect at the start of the business operations. Now, you can secure the location now of where you want to put up your pharmacy because of the zoning rule that we need to follow. So, kagaya nga ng paulit-ulit ko po dinidiscuss kanina, yung sa zoning, and at the same time, pwede nyo pong simulan yung business operation. Basta importante, makuha mo yung franchise package ng 650,000 pa, kasi hindi natin alam, dahil sa dami po nagpa-franchise sa amin ngayon ng iPharmaMart, yung tendency po niya talaga is tataas yung franchise package later on. So, much better kung interesado ka at may bala ka talaga magtayo ng ganitong business. Mas maganda na makuha mo na siya sa 650,000 pesos na franchise package plus yung promo na included pa, 'di ba? Next question, what is the difference between the two franchise packages? So, yung first package natin, it's pharmacy plus convenience store. Wala pa pong kasamang product inventory and you need 80 square meters for the space. Yung second package natin na pharmacy only, it's with 150,000 worth of product inventories already and you only need 20 square meters for the space. Yun po yung pinaka-difference ng ating two franchise packages. Next question, what about the delivery or may minimum delivery ba yan? Now, for Visayas and Mindanao, pharmaceutical products are shipped via air, okay? Now, for the convenience store products, we have a partner who has depot in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao who will handle the delivery. So, malalaman nyo na lang po kung sino yung partner namin when it comes to the convenience store kapag nag-franchise na po kayo sa amin. And then, no minimum delivery po. Whatever your purchase will be delivered to you, it's up to you to manage the delivery cost for your orders, which will be taught to you as well in the training. So, wala po tayong minimum delivery. Kung ano po yung orderin nyo, yun po yung magiging purchase value. Okay? Okay, so if you still have questions na hindi ko pa po nasagot sa mga frequently asked questions natin, you can contact me and let's set up an online meeting para masagot ko po yung mga tanong ninyo. Or, you can also visit our office in Guinness, Manila by appointment. Just message me at 0921-708-1882 or you can email me at ifranchise.inquiry@gmail.com para makapag-set tayo ng appointment or I can answer your questions and then I can assist you pagdating sa pag-a-apply nyo ng iPharmaMart franchise natin. So that's the whole presentation of our iPharmaMart franchise. Thank you for watching the video. And again, I'm looking forward to assist you in opening your own iPharmaMart store. Thank you. Bye.